So thank you again so much for joining our course. We at Course Envy have made it our goal and #1 priority to make our students 5-star satisfied with all our courses. So if for any reason you're not 100% satisfied, maybe you're stuck on a lecture topic, or you have a general question or feedback about the course, message us. There's 2 ways to do this. You can start a Q&A right within the course. So from the course dashboard, click Q&A. Scroll down, you can review past questions or ask a new question. We really strive to answer any questions within 48 hours. But sometimes with our own clients, that time frame can flux a little bit, but we'll do our best to get back to you. You can also message us directly, so go to Overview, scroll down, and then click our username here, Justin O'Brien, and then click Send Message. So once you have a great understanding of the topic of this course, have all your questions answered, then and only then, we'd love for you to rate our course. Just go here, click 5 stars, and let us know what you love about the course. Again, please start a Q&A or message us if you have feedback or concerns about the course prior to mentioning it in your course review. We really love when students give us this feedback, give us questions, because we want to build out these lectures and these courses to be as perfect as possible. So thank you again for joining Course Envy.